Let me start the recording. First of all, write down today's date. Exercise 3, question number 3, I. Question is we have to find the HCF of the given number by long division method. So numbers given are 625, 3125 and 15,625. Okay, you have to find the LCM of these three numbers. So using long division method. So what I told, in long division method, first you have to consider two numbers. So two numbers should be, one should be smaller and one should be greater. So let's first consider these two numbers, and you have to divide greater number by the smaller number. So greater number is 3125 divided by 625. So 625 5 is 3125. Okay. So here our division in long division method. What I told, कब तक divide करते हैं? जब तक in long division method, what I told, you have to divide till the जब तक हमें रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं मिल जाता. So यहाँ पे 625 when we divide 625 5s are 3125. So HCF of 625 and 3125 is, what is HCF? The last divisor. जो divisor है वही HCF होता है, तो यहाँ पे divisor क्या है? 625. Okay. Now what we will do? We will consider this third number. This third number and the HCF of these two numbers. Now we will find HCF of 625 and 15,625. ठीक है? So now 625 again it will become the divisor and dividend क्या होगा? 15,625. So 625 2s is 1,250 minus 2 minus 0 2, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 2 3, 1 minus 1 0. This 5 will come down. Again 3,125 यहाँ पे भी हुआ था. So 625 5s is 3,125. Okay, so here also HCF of 625 and 15,625 is 625. Okay, so HCF of 625 3125 and 15,625 is 625. Yes, Riddhi?
Ma'am, I have doubt in exercise 4 question number A and question number E.
A and E. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Yes, Nishtha?
ये समझ नहीं आया.
ये समझ में नहीं आया?
आई वाला क्वेश्चन. यस मैम.
अभी भी नहीं आया?
मैम वो HCF.
ठीक है, बता रही हूँ. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. So this is question number 3 of exercise 3. Question is find the HCF of the given number by long division method. Using long division method, you have to find the HCF of given number. So numbers are 625, 3125 and 15,625. So in long division method, first we will consider two numbers. So two numbers, let's consider 625 and 3125. So now in long division method, the smaller number will become divisor and the greater number will become dividend. So 3125 is divided by 625. First we will find this HCF of this two number. तो इसका HCF निकालें डिवीजन के बाद 625 5 is 3125. हमें यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 मिल गया. So we will not continue dividing. हमें कब तक डिवाइड करना है इन लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड? जब तक 0 नहीं आ जाता, है ना. So 625 5 are 3125. हमें यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 मिल गया. So HCF of 625 and 3125 is 625. Okay. Now हमारे पास थर्ड नंबर बचा है. So we will consider this third number and the HCF. Now we will find the HCF of 625 and this number. Okay. So again 625 is the smaller, so it will become divisor and 15,000 will become dividend. So now after dividing, okay, यहाँ पे I have done 625 twos are, but you can do directly 625 25s are 15,625. ठीक है. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए इजी वे में, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे किया है. ठीक है. 625 twos are 1,250. Then we have taken 625 5s are 3,125. Okay, so HCF of 625 and 15,625 is also 625. Clear है अभी? ये शाश्वत?
मैं समझ नहीं आया.
अभी भी नहीं आया? ये सुहानी? ये सुहानी? अग्नि समझ में आया?
यस मैम. मैम वो मेरे को लग रहा था कि उससे मतलब छोटे नंबर से करना है, तो मैम मैंने 25 की जगह कुछ और लिख दिया था वहाँ पे मैम, इसलिए वो शायद गलत आ रहा था.
अभी क्लियर है ना? नाउ इट इज क्लियर.
यस मैम.
Okay. So moving to exercise 4. Exercise 4, with the question number 4a I am explaining because A and E is similar. So I will explain anyone. Yesterday also I have explained. कल की क्लास मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था आपको ये क्वेश्चन A और E. कौन से एक्सप्लेन? A और E.
Ma'am, 8, 24 and 36. Ma'am, 36 वाले में डाउट जा रहा था.
ठीक है. Exercise 4, question number 1a. Question is you have to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method you know. कैसे करते हैं? We start dividing the number by the smallest prime number, that is 2. 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And we will continue dividing by 2. जब तक वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तब तक हम 2 से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so we will move to next prime number. So next prime number is 3. 3 1s are 2. Same here 36. We will start dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2. 36 डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, तो 2 1s are 2. 1 and 6. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so here what will come? 18. Now 18, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will take 3. Next prime number is 3. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now we have to find the common factors of 24 and 36. 24 और 36 के factors, common factors निकालेंगे. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So first LCM, what I told you, LCM is the product of common factors and uncommon factors. Okay? So पहले हम common factors consider करेंगे. Common factors क्या है? ये 2, this 2 also, and this 3. And this 2 and this 3 is uncommon. Correct? So we will write 2. Out of this 2 number, we will take 1, 2. And out of this 2 also, we will take 1, 2. Then 3 into these 2 uncommon numbers also we have to consider. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are is 72. So LCM is 72. Okay, I think now it is clear. Yes, Riddhi? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we have done question number 2 of exercise 4. Number 2, question number 1 we have done. Let's see next question. Question number 2C. Exercise 4. Question number 2C. You have to find LCM by common division methods. So number are 30 and 75. Okay. What is common division method? We write both the numbers in one row using comma. 30 comma 75. We will start with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 75 is not divisible by 2, so we will write down 75 as it is. Okay. Moving to next. Now 15 and 75 is not divisible by 2, so we will consider 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 and 25 is not divisible by 3, so we will move to next prime number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, again 5 1s are 5. So LCM of 30 and 75 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So what is the answer? 2 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and 30 5s are is 150. So LCM of 30 and 75 is 150. Moving to next question. D is your homework. E. You have to find LCM of 24, 15 and 36. Yes, Riddhi.
मैम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है मैम, उसमें हर एक नंबर में दोनों को एक साथ करना है.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कौन सा?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में मैम दोनों को एक साथ करना है।
हाँ, कॉमन डिविजन मेथड में दोनों नंबर्स एक साथ लिखते हैं एक रो में. That what I am saying.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Solve and tell me the answer of C of E. Tell me the LCM of 24, 15 and 36. Okay, no one will leave the class. Network, I'm checking the network board is not clear now. Now it is clear. Tell me board is clear now. Vritti, board is clear. Yes, Nishta.
मैम थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्लर है अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा.
इज नॉट क्लियर।
यस मैम, बोर्ड इज नॉट क्लियर.
Okay. Janya, don't raise your hand. कितने बार बेटा? So moving to next question. Have you solved? What is the LCM of 24, 15 and 36? Anyone solved? Yes, Tapasya.
मैम द बोर्ड इज नॉट क्लियर. मैम
Yes, yes, I.
द बोर्ड इज.
हाँ. Yes, Abni.
मैम एलसीएम की आंसर मैम मैम 2 मिनट बस इंटू करके बता रही हूँ ना.
हाँ. Let's see prime factorization. Let's see division. Twenty-four. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are 6. And 3 ones are 3. Oh, sorry. We have to do using common division method, no? So 24, 15, 36. 2 12s are 24. 15 is not divisible, so we will write 15 as it is. Then, yes, Abhi.
मैम 480
LCM of 24, 50 and 36 is equals to, what is your answer?
मैम 480
No,
480
no, not 480. Yes, Riddhi, your answer is correct. 2, 2 12s are 36. Now again, sorry, 2, not 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 15 will come as it is, 2 9s are 18. Then again 2 3s are 15 will come as it is, and 9 will also come as it is. Now divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 again one more time, 5 will come as it is. 5 1 1 1. So LCM of 24, 15 and 36 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Answer is 360. 360. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 24 3s are how much? 72, 72 5s are 360. Okay, so LCM is 360. Moving to next question, number G. Number G, numbers are 180. LCM of 180, 384 and 144. 180, 384 and 144. So first start with 2. It is little lengthy, okay? 2 9s are 2 90s are 180, 2 192s are 384 and 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again we will do with 2 245s are 2 96s are 2 36s are. Again we will divide by 2. 45 is not divisible, so we will write 45 as it is. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are. Again 45 is not divisible. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Again we will take with 2. 45 is not divisible, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 9 will come as it is. Again with 2, 45 as it is, 2 6s are 12, 9 will come as it is. 2 3s are 6, 45 will come as it is. 2 9 will come as it is. Now we will move to next prime number because अब कोई भी 2 से divisible नहीं है, so we will take 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Then again 3 5s are 15, 1 will come as it is, 3 1s are 3. And the last number is 5. 1s are 1 1. So LCM of 180, 384 and 144 is equals to 2 into 2, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 3 2 times 3 into 3 into 5. So after multiplying, you will get LCM is 5760. Okay? Yes, Tishta?
Ma'am, the board is not clear. मैम थोड़ा ब्लर आ रहा है.
हाँ बेटा. Yes, Aram?
मैम बोर्ड में कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है मैम, बस ब्लर ब्लर दिख रहा है और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा मैम.
हाँ, little network issue is there. Yes, Wani? आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी. Yes, Riddhi? प्लीज डोंट रेस. अगर एक बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है तो बाकी आप सब बोर्ड के लिए हाथ मत उठाओ. हाँ वृद्धि बोलो.
मैम बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है मैम, दिख भी नहीं रहा है अच्छे से.
नाउ अभी तो क्लियर होगा शायद.
नो मैम.
Only 3 minutes left. Class is going to over now. Let's see question number 3. This much done. Let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is, okay, I got that board is not clear. It's because of network. It's fluctuating. It will get stable within minute. Question number 3. Question number 3 is you have to find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 105, 91 and 130. Means you have to find the number. ऐसा number find करना है that should be smallest and which divides 105, 91 and 130 without leaving any remainder. Okay, so for finding that number we have to find LCM. Okay, so write down the smallest. This you have to write. Okay, the smallest. This is solution. The smallest number which is exactly divisible by which is exactly divisible by 105, 91 and 30 and 130 is the LCM of this number. And you have to find LCM using common division method. Okay? Yes, Agni?
मैम आपका बोर्ड बहुत ब्लर दिख रहा है, तो मैम आप ये जो थर्ड का सॉल्यूशन करा रही है वो एक बार कल फिर से करा दोगे क्या मैम, क्योंकि नहीं समझ आ रहा है।
Okay, then we will do it tomorrow only. Only less than 1 minute is left.
यस मैम।
Okay, we will see next